Hey there, welcome back. It's your girl Laura B here with another property tour. And today we are just south of Lake Nona, 15 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport, with one of the largest and most affordable properties in this area. You are not going to want to miss out. Watch the full tour and let me know what you think about this property. If you are new to this channel, I post a ton of properties, resale homes, new construction homes in the Central Florida area. Make sure to subscribe to continue to see property tours, and let's get started. Here you have your extended driveway, 3-car garage. Alrighty, so coming into the home, you have a beautiful foyer, beautiful open concept entry. You have your formal dining space, which we're having our open house here, so it has a lot of our flyers, brochures, and information. You have a beautiful accent wall that the current sellers added, and then you have your formal living room. Let's backtrack here so that way we can see your private den or flex room right off of your primary bedroom. So this is the left wing of the property. It's basically all of your primary bedroom. But this space right here can be converted into an additional closet. It can be used as an office, a gym or yoga area. Definitely lots of options. So let's skip through here, and you're going to find your double vanity. You have a walk-in shower and a garden tub. Water closet is going to be just behind here, and you are going to have a linen closet behind this door as well. You have the entrance to the primary here as well. Beautiful space. You can have 2 separate living areas here with additional couch, resting areas. Lots of room for your first floor primary. Right here, you're going to have a beautiful walk-in closet. This is where we're housing Mr. Dusty here during our open houses and showings. And then on this side, you have an additional closet. So if you need some extra closet space, you can always convert this beautiful area here. Alrighty. Let's continue walking down. You have access to the back enclosed lanai through the primary over here, and then through the great room as well. But welcome to your ginormous kitchen. You have an extended bar island here. And then you have some floating shelves, second island here in the middle. You have 2 pantries, one on this side, one on this side. Stainless steel appliances. The current owners also added this backsplash, adding a little touch to this property. We baked some cookies for our open house, but definitely a beautiful space. It's definitely the heart of the home. One of my personal favorite parts of the home is going to be the loft upstairs, but also this breakfast nook right here. transitions really well with your indoor and outdoor living. If you were to build a pool in this property, you'd have great views of it throughout the entire first floor. You have an electric fireplace in this home. Great amount of space. Okay, let's enter the second bedroom here. Right off of this bedroom, you do have a full bathroom. Before I forget, let me show you, also have a door right here to the outside. I didn't realize it was locked, but this takes you to the backyard as well, so it would be perfect for anyone looking to use the bathroom here. Okay, off of the kitchen you have an additional 2-bedroom. You have a convenient sliding pocket door here to separate the 2 bedrooms from the kitchen. Beautiful guest room here. You have another full bath. Plenty of bathrooms in this home. And you have another bedroom on this side. 2 closets. Since there's only 2 adults living in this property, they don't have a lot of the bedrooms set up as bedrooms. But if you have a large family, you definitely have a lot of bedrooms that you guys can choose from. Here we have our laundry, washing and dryer. Remain with the home. We have a convenient sink right here, extra closet space, AC, 3-car garage. You have an extra storage here to the left that's locked. Now let's go to one of my favorite parts of the home. This huge bedroom / loft. Now you can do so many things with this area. You can have it as a guest suite. You can have it as a meeting room, movie room. You can have it as just a huge loft entertainment area with a pool table and so forth. You have a closet in here, walk-in closet, and then you have another full bathroom. You have some additional storage space here for the second AC. One AC is from 2018, the other one is from 2019. The roof is 2022. The exterior paint of the property is from 2018 as well.
If you like this property tour, make sure to leave a comment on the best part about the tour about this home. Make sure to subscribe to continue to see property tours in the Central Florida area. And for more information about this particular home, check out the description below with the property listing, and call me if you have any questions or would like to get started in your home selling or home buying process here in the Central Florida area. Have a great one, and I'll see you in the next tour.